I tell you what, that screw's really in there. I don't know. Sometimes. Look, a screwdriver I could pound on here. I think it's coming out. Well, I thought. I think I really need a proper chisel. That is almost off there. See if I can just knock it loose there. Smack myself more in the heart. Well, I don't know. I'm going to have to use some other means. But let's have a look at this thing. Oh, yeah, this is the switch here for the motor up and down. It's got a busted off screw here. I broke it off myself. That's how I know it's broken. And I got them all out. I got the little set screw loose down here. But I'll probably have to get back behind there with that cut-off wheel again. And this is the how it gets power to the motor. You can see the it was a home for wasp at one time. I'll get all that out of there and get that clean. But you see it? Let me see if I can move this thing. There we go. You see how that is? Okay. Okay, so this lever here actuates that switch, and when it's in the middle, it allows the lock to go on. And I've got all that adjusted away. So it's really simple. Just a drum switch up here. Let me unplug this here. Pretty high up here. You don't want to fall down. There we go. I can swing this thing, move this out of the way. And I can swing this thing clear around, pull it this way. Okay. I'll get it facing the sun and work on that, on cleaning that traveling surfaces up. Okay. It kind of wants to go that way on its own a little bit out of balance there. Now here's the motor here, and I found this pretty interesting. For horsepower, it says SP, but then it's got a rating of 218 inch-pounds of torque, 1600 RPM, 220 volt. Yeah, it's a special motor. So that's what does the elevating of this heavy arm. So anyway, I thought you might like to see the bird's eye view. So the power comes in down there at that box, comes up through the center of the column, through the post they call it, and up through here, and then to that switch and to the motor, and it's switched down there. Okay, so this is what I'm up to, and I'm getting really close. You know, I'm going to scrape the paint off of it, and having it up here, I'll kick this back around. And my cup of tea. Whoop, I got bumped by my own tripod. And get that around here. And that tripod down there. I gathered a little box of basic tools to work on this stuff. Works out pretty good. And yeah, I'm going to scrub more on this and then get the head moved over and work on the ways here that the head's sitting on. Just try to get that generally cleaned up. I'm going to get the rest of the paint off this thing too. So, you know, I don't know. I think this may have sat outside for 4 years. But the quality of the cast iron is so high that it just didn't really cause that much damage, you know, once you get the rust off. And the real problem I had with this was these bearings that this thing slides on, and that's another thing I'm going to deal with later. Okay, I'll load this and I'll be back. Bye-bye.